Good morning children, welcome back to maths session. In today's class we are going to learn exercise 8.2. Okay, so in the last class we finished up to 6 sums children, and there are 4 sums left to complete the exercise 8.2. Okay, so after this completion of exercise I am going to tell you about the profit and loss and simple interest. Okay, the topic I am going to introduce. After that we are going to solve the problems basing on those topics. Okay, now all of you open page number 165 and see there the 7th question children. In a city 30% are females and 40% are males and the remaining are children. So what percent are children? Okay, see here, if you clearly observe here, percentage of females, so that is 30%. Next, percentage of males, that is 40%. Okay, now what is the total percentage of female and males? Total percentage of males and females, females and males, that is 30% plus 40%, that is nothing but 70%. That means what? Females and males together 70%. But it's asking for to find what is the percentage of the children. The remaining are children, he said. So percentage means 100, no? Percentage means 100. So the percentage of children equals to, what is the total percentage actually? Percentage means 100, no? So 100% minus 70%. So that is 30%. Okay children, is it clear? So that is the answer. So note down this one in your CW. Okay, so percentage of females 30% and 40% are males. So both together if you add 70%, and the remaining percentage of children is nothing but 100 minus 70, that is 30%. Next, coming to 8th question there. Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, okay, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you now find out how many actually did not vote? Okay, so children, see here, once again I will read the question. Once again I am reading the question. See here, out of 15,000 voters in constituency, okay, constituency, you have to pronounce in different language, okay, that is constituency they will tell, or some dictionary word constituency. Okay, constituency means you know that the area, particular area. So out of 15,000 voters in constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you find out how many actually did not vote? So in that area actually how many are there? In that constituency there are 15,000 voters. So number of voters in a constituency, okay, you have to read constituency. Constituency number of voters in a constituency is 15,000. These are the voters. Next, 60% are voted. Percentage of voted 60%. Okay, find the percentage of the voters who did not vote. That means these are the percentage of voted. Who did not vote? That means remaining. You can write directly like this: percentage of voters not voted, that is nothing but 100% minus 60%. That means 40% they did not vote. 40%, okay, 40% of the members they did not vote. But he did not ask the percentage, he asked how many members. So that means total how many voters are there? 15,000. How much percent is not voted? 40%. So number of voters who did not vote, that is nothing but 40% of 15,000. So 40 by 100 into 15,000. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 15 fours are 60. Okay, 15 fours are 60. 1, 2, 2 zeros left. So 6,000 voters they did not vote. Is it clear? 6,000 voters did not vote. Okay, is it clear? Next question. See the 9th question, children, there. Meeta saves 4,000 rupees from her salary. That means Meeta is saving money from her salary, that is 4,000 rupees. If this is 10% of her salary, what is her salary? Actually, we don't know her salary. So we will consider the total salary as X. So total salary of Meeta equals to X rupees. Okay. So how much she is saving? Amount saved by her. Amount saved by her equals to 4,000 rupees. Okay. Now 10% of her salary. 10% of her, Meena saves 4,000 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, means 10% of X equals to 4,000. 10% of his salary is equals to 4,000. That means now we will get the total salary. Okay. So 10 by 100 into X equals to 4,000. So X equals to 4,000 into 100 by 10. So 0, 0 get cancelled. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 40,000. That means her salary is 40,000. In that, how much she is saving? 4,000. The 4,000 is nothing but what? 10% of her salary. Okay, he has given 10% of her salary. That means 10% of his salary is nothing but her savings. 10% of her salary is nothing but her savings. What is her salary? X. So 10% of X equals to 4,000. So total what? 40,000. Therefore, total salary equals to 40,000 rupees. Okay, children, is it clear? So I'll give you the 10th sum for you homework. Why can't you try? It's very easy. I'll explain here. A local cricket team played 20 matches. So how many matches a local cricket team played? 20 matches. Okay. 20 matches they played in one season. It won 25% of them. In this, 25% of them they won. That means like this, 25% of 20. Okay, you'll get some answer. How many matches did they win? How much you'll get? That will be the answer, because 25% of them are they won. So what they are asking, how many matches they win? So 25% of 20, what is that? How many matches they won? So that is only is asking how many matches did they win. So how many you will get, that will be the answer for this. How many matches did they win? So the winning matches will be coming by doing 25% of 20. Okay, now next children, here we have the another two topics here. I am going to tell you now. As I told you that the two topics are nothing but basing on profit, loss and everything. Okay, profit, loss and everything. Actually you learned in the earlier classes, but still again we are discussing, because we will not leave you that already you discussed in the last class. We can go through like that. We should not tell like that. Okay, we have to again learn again from the beginning. See here, here one boy is there. Okay, that means in a class, I'll tell you a small example here. That means I'll give an example, then we'll understand very nicely. Okay, see here, your maths teacher asked to purchase a compass box. Okay, for the next class, a math teacher asked to purchase a compass box. Okay, compass box for the next class. Okay, then what happened? Almost all the children they got for the next class. They have, all children are having except one boy. Then the teacher asked, why you did not bring the compass box? Then he told, madam, my house is very far and no one is there at home. And he told something. Okay, he did not told lie. He was so genuine and he told that, madam, no one is there, so tomorrow 100% I am going to bring it, he said. Then his friend, one of his friend told, madam, I'll give for him, because there are, okay, everywhere shops are there, but think that the person, the child who did not bring, nearby house there are no shops, nothing like that. Okay, just feel like that. Okay, and one of his friend told, madam, I'll give my geometry box to him. Okay, so tomorrow I'll purchase the new one. But the boy who purchased already, that means his friend, he brought the compass box for 150 rupees. He bought the compass box for 150 rupees. And he sold, that means he is selling the compass box to his friend for 180 rupees. That means the boy who went to the shop and purchased, that is nothing but cost price. That means cost price of a geometry box is 150. This boy, what he did, he sold the geometry box to his friend for selling price. We'll call it as selling price for 180 rupees. That means the boy means who sold it for 180 rupees, he gained something. Can you tell me how he gained? Just he bought it for 150 and he sold it for 180. That means he bought for the less amount for 150 and he sold for his friend for 180. Now which is more here? Selling price is more than cost price. If selling price is more than CP, if selling price is more than cost price, then you will get always profit. Okay, then you will get always profit. No need to by heart any formula here. So what you have to do to get the profit? Profit equals to SP minus CP. Okay, what is SP here? 180 and here 150. So 30 rupees is profit. So similarly, if you sell for less, maybe you feel that is my friend, I am going to sell for him less. So if you sell less, what it is going to be happen? He may get what? Loss. In that we have again two formulas, okay? That is how to find the percentage of profit and how to find the percentage of loss. There are two formulas, okay? Basing on profit percentage and loss percentage. First we have a profit formula, that is SP minus CP, and loss CP minus SP, and basing on those two formulas we have many formulas that we will discuss tomorrow. And profit percentage is there, P by CP into 100, and loss percentage, loss by CP into 100. So there are few formulas basing on this. And coming to another topic, that is about what? Amount. What is it? Amount, principal, interest, rate, everything. Okay, now I am going to discuss about principal, interest and rate and amount. Okay, see here, this is also same like this, but the formula is little bit different. Okay, and here one of your friend, okay, needs some money. One of your friend needs some money. He asked, friend, can you give me 1000 rupees? Yes, he said that yes, I can give it. But the child, means not only child, some friend, okay, feel like some two friends, okay, two friends are there. One of his friend is asking, can you lend me 1000 rupees? Then he said, okay, but what is the benefit for me if I'll give you 1000 rupees? Then he said, you just say how I should give. So what is the benefit you required? He asked. Then he told, I will give it for you 1000 rupees. Means the friend is giving 1000 rupees to another friend. Okay. And he told that, what is the benefit I should get? He is told. Then he is asking, it is up to you. In what way you will say, I will give it that. If you want more money than 1000 rupees, I will give it, he said. Then he said one thing here. I will give you 1000 rupees to you with a rate of interest 2%. With a rate of interest 2%, and he has given even time also. And he has given time. Time also, that is 1 year he gave. Okay, he gave time 1 year and he gave rate 2% interest. And how much he has given? Principal 1000 rupees. Okay, how much is given? Principal means the amount which he has given from him to another fellow, that means to another friend. Okay, the amount given from him his pocket to another friend, that is nothing but what? Principal. See here, means the another boy, two friends are there, no? Another friend lend the amount from one of his friend. Means the friend who has given to the amount, that is called principal. We'll call it as a principal. So here principal is 1000 rupees. That means one boy have lent the amount, no? So another boy given. The boy given the principal amount to his friend 1000 rupees. And he said rate of interest is 2%. And he gave even time also. That means you have to give my amount in 1 year. Because time will almost, even they give for months also, we have to convert into years only. If the time is given for months, you have to convert into years. Even if they given for the days, like number of days, like 180 days, like that they are given, you have to convert always the time into years only. If any sum like that will come, I will tell you how to convert into days into years and months into years. Even though you did not get those terms also, I will tell you how to convert it. Okay. Now see here, principal 1000 rupees, rate of interest 2%, time. Okay. Then what is the interest? What is the interest we have to pay for 1 year? He has given rate of interest 2%, 1 year he gave time, and the principal 1000 rupees. That means how much interest per 1 year he is paying means here. We have a formula, P P into T into R by 100. P into T into R by 100. Principal into time into rate into 100. So this is the formula. Principal 1000 rupees. Time 1 year. Rate 2 by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 2 into 10, 20. So 20 rupees interest is paying. Okay, is paying only 20 rupees paying for 1 year. Then how much total amount he is giving now? Amount is equals to the total amount he has to pay to his friend. Amount equals to principal, because he gave 1000 rupees, no? That also have to give it to his friend, no? So that is principal plus, along with principal, what he will give? He will give even interest, that is P plus I. So amount equals to P plus I. So we got the formula. So principal how much now? 1000 rupees plus 20. So 1020 rupees his friend is getting. Okay. This is the way they will do the business. Okay. This is I told for at least for 1 year. Some people will be there. I am not telling for any child. This is only called a business purpose, children. I am not pointing out of anyone. Just simply I am telling you. If they want more money, what they are going to do means they will increase the rate of interest. They will increase the rate of interest. It is depend upon the business. Okay. So I am not blaming anyone. Just simply it is like a business I am telling. Okay, children. Is it clear? So in the next class, we are going to start the profit and loss sums and simple interest sums. Okay, that is interest is nothing but simple interest, we will call it as, or interest. Okay, is it clear? So in the next class we are going to maximum, I am going to finish at the comparing quantities, then we will go for perimeter and area. That means by this weekend we can finish the syllabus. Okay, children, have a nice day, children.